Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well today. And today we are going to discuss about motivation and types of motivation. As I was saying in my previous short video reel, that motivation is a very strong word that pushes us to do best in our potential, to achieve great heights. Motivation is also something that pushes us to break the bad habits and patterns in our life and a part of our personality, and pushes us to create some better habits, healthier habits in life. So motivation, as I said, is a very strong word, and broadly speaking, there are two types of motivation, which is intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. Talking about intrinsic motivation is something that motivates us internally, that comes out internally, that brings us joy, that can be our hobbies, our passions, something that makes us very satisfied in life, very content in life. So we see a lot of individuals around us who have made their professions out of their passion, out of their hobbies, and irrespective of their financial condition, their achievements, their external societal status, they feel very content with themselves in their profession, even if they are achieving at a very mediator level. But because they are doing it out of passion, they are very content with it, whatever their achievements are. Even if they are not recognized at a world level, they are still content because they are enjoying the work they are doing. And that comes out of intrinsic motivation, the internal levels that connects with your soul, your value system. And there is a second motivation, which is extrinsic motivation. Now, extrinsic motivation is something that you get motivated out of from the external world, which is your salary hike, your societal standing in the society, your designation, your achievements. For example, when you were in school, and if you participated in some extracurricular activity which really brought some joy to you internally, irrespective of you want it or not, that was intrinsic motivation. You just simply enjoyed that, participating in that activity, irrespective of you want it or not. But extrinsic motivation is that you participated there because with that intention that you want to win it, and that winning, that medal, that something materialistic aspect was extrinsic motivation. Getting good grades, because it creates a certain image in your class, among classmates, among your school, that okay, this person is a ranker, this person gets second rank, first rank always throughout in their school life, was an extrinsic motivation. But you getting rank, you studying that in an examination with that mindset that I want to learn something, I like this subject, and that is why I want to learn it, irrespective of I get marks in it or not, is intrinsic motivation. But when you have this mindset that I want to score, my target is scoring 92%, is an extrinsic motivation. Now, extrinsic motivation is also rewards that you get in your organization, and that is how you feel motivated, is extrinsic motivation. But you working 24/7 for your organization, irrespective of you get rewards or not, is intrinsic motivation. Now, both kind of motivation is important as a human, because sometimes if you have made your profession out of intrinsic motivation, but you are not getting any financial rewards out of it, your family is suffering, but you are just content that I am following my passion irrespective of it is giving me rewards or not, but your family is suffering out of it. So for that kind of thing, extrinsic motivation is very important as well. And just extrinsic motivation also has some limitations, that you might be getting financial rewards, your family might be financially stable, you might be in a very very good position, your designation might be in a leadership position, but you are not internally content because you are just working with an organization because it is a huge brand name, it is a multinational company, but you are not enjoying it internally. You are not getting that work life balance that you want for yourself, for your family, and your mental health is getting affected. Now that kind of extrinsic motivation always often does harm more than good societal standing and all of those things. So a balance of that intrinsic and extrinsic motivation is very very important, where you feel content internally but also are having some level of financial rewards and societal standing, because we are living in a materialistic world. So the balance of intrinsic and extrinsic motivation is very very important. So self reflect and see what level of intrinsic and what level of extrinsic motivation you are able to achieve and enjoy in your life and are receiving that kind of motivation. Ask questions like, why am I doing this? Why am I in this position? Where do I want to see myself? And what levels of these two motivations that I have been achieving in my life and I want to achieve in life, with a balance of two. I hope this helps.